Hello friends, now here we taken one example. Using Newton's forward interpolation, evaluate value of y for x is equals to 5 for the following data. So this x row and this value of y already given to us. Now we have to find out value of y at x is equals to 5. Now initially in the starting solution of this example, we have to start with the difference table. In the difference table, first column x, then y, del square, del cube, and this is del raised to 4. There are 4 entries, so we have to complete del square and del cube. So there are 4 entries, so 4 minus 1, there are 3 columns of delta we have to perform. Now we'll write down 4, 6, 8, 10. Value of y in this column 1, 3, 8, 16. Now continue the difference table. So 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2. Continue this. 8 minus 3, 5. 16 minus 8, like this. The next 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 5, this value again 3, and the last value 3 minus 3, which is equals to 0. So this we have completed the difference table. Now next we have to perform Newton's forward interpolation. Now see here what value we have to find out. Value of y at x is equals to 5. This we have to find out. Now 5 belongs to this interval 4 and 6. Now there are 2 central values 6 and 8. Now above to this one, the value which we are discussing, x equal to 5. So we are using forward interpolation. Now here it is above the central values of the table, so we are using here forward interpolation. Now before to that, we required value of x, and we written here formula for p is equals to x, the value which we have to find, x is equals to 5 minus x0 is previous value of this, so x0 is equals to 4 upon h. H is the step size or the difference between two consecutive numbers in the x column. So the difference is 2 in these two consecutive numbers. 1 divided by 2, so 0.5. This is value of p. Now next, we'll write down here Newton's forward interpolation formula is y at 5, this we have to find out, y0 plus p delta y0, p into p minus 1, 2 factorial, delta square y0 plus p minus 1, p minus 2 upon 3 factorial, delta cube y0, and so on. So we written here formula. Now we'll substitute values. This we have assumed this is value x0. So corresponding to this, it is our y0. Now we'll consider values of delta accordingly. So this is the stage of difference table, what values we are considering. Now x0 is the first value of the table. So y0 is first value of the table. Delta, which we have to consider in the formula, again this is the first value of the table. Delta square first value, delta cube first value. So it goes in the descending order and the sketch is like this. Now we'll substitute value y0, it is 1, p value delta y0, that is the first value of that table. Now for this question, the actual value is x0 first, so that delta square first, delta cube and so on, these are first values. P minus 1 upon 2 into delta square, so value it is 3 plus p minus 1, p minus 2 upon 3 factorial, that is 6 into delta cube, that value it is 0, and plus so on. Now if we calculate all these expressions, now this fourth term is 0, so the answer is 1.625. So this is value of y at x is equals to 5. So this we completed the answer. Now see here, this is the data. In that data we have find the value of x at value of y at x is equals to 5 by using the forward difference formula. In the same table, if you want to find out value at 8.59 or like this, it is in this interval, then we are using backward interpolation formula. So this we completed one example by Newton's forward interpolation.